In this video, we will explain general Excel shortcut keys. So these are the shortcut keys that we will explain. These are generally used in Excel. So let's start. First of all, we will move to the F1. The F1 is used whenever you would like to open the help menu. So it will open the help menu for us. So let's press F1. So it will open the help menu, the help sidebar for us. Let's move to the second one, which is Control plus Y, which is used for redo. Okay, for redo action. For example, you did something like you wrote this text and you played Control B. This is bold. You want to apply this Control B again and this cell also. Okay, so press Control plus Y. So it means that it will repeat the action, the last action that we did. Like whenever you press delete, press Control Z, and it will remove Control B bold. So press again Control Y, so it will bring it back. Let's move to the F4. F4 is used for example, you are writing a formula, so it will help us in relative and absolute path. For example, we have equal to like this cell, okay, and you would like to make it absolute. Right now the cell is the reference is relative, but you would like to make it absolute. So F4 will help with us. Let's press F4. What it do? So it will make it absolute, just row number absolute, just column absolute, and relative again absolute, both of them row and column. So it will help with us whenever we are playing with formulas with the absolute and relative formulas. Control Z is used for undo. For example, you deleted this cell, you press Control Z, so it will undo that action, the last action. F7 is used for spelling, for spell check. For example, you wrote something like happy, you wrote this thing, okay, which is a wrong spelling. So F7 will help us with spelling check, and press F7, so it will show us the correct one. Happy, happen, happy, hopey. These are the different spellings that you can apply. So for example, happy, just change this one. Okay, close that. Let's go back. So the spelling has been changed. What else? Control plus Shift plus L is used to apply filter. Okay, whenever you want to apply filter, so it will help us. For example, I want to apply filter on this cell, so press Control Shift L. So look at the filter icon. Okay, the filter icon has been applied. Whenever Alt plus down arrow key is used to activate the filter. For example, whenever you want to display the filter, so for this press Alt plus down arrow key like this, it will activate the filter, the cell which has filter. The F5 is used to go to move us to go to page. Okay, go to page. So let's press F5. Look at the go to pop-up has been appeared. Control plus G is also used to go to pop-up. Let's move Control plus G. It will also open go to page for us. F9, the F9 this shortcut key is used to recalculate all workbooks. For example, you have 3-4 sheets and you would like to refresh it. It means recalculate all formulas, that everything is working correctly. It means to refresh your workbooks. Okay, refreshing. It is used for refreshing all the sheets, all workbook. But Shift plus 9 is used to refresh the same sheet, this one sheet. Okay, and Control plus P is used for printing like this, and end is used to activate end mode on our Excel sheet. Like, let's press end. So look at end mode has been turned on. Look at here. Let's close it back. So these were general shortcut keys in MS Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.